This font will save you hours from creating a stretch font by transforming them this way or by using the direct selection tool. Firstly, let's get a font. In your web browser, search Stretch Pro Font. Click on the second link here. This is the font. Scroll down and click download. Wait for your download to complete in your web browser, then open the folder. Extract the files, highlight all fonts and install them. After that, open Photoshop and write your text. Make sure you're using the Stretch Pro font. Expand the character panel, and all you have to do is to click on this FI icon and just type the letter you want to stretch twice, like this. See? Pretty simple. Now let's add another text. Write any word of your choice, and as you press, it keeps stretching. You can press it more than twice, and it works on both upper and lowercase letters. You can try it out for yourself and use it in your projects to catch clients' attention. Keep coming back for more Photoshop tips like this. Watch other videos on this channel.